Good afternoon, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for March 5th, 2024. It is 12 o'clock and the SPX is trading lower down about 0.9% to 50.86. We are most certainly seeing weakness here, some follow through from yesterday. Recall we had that false breakout of all-time high and then a quick rejection. Well, somewhat quick. We took this for a fade in the afternoon back to our PH scenario, which was 51.35. So I had a butterfly here, and though we did see that reversion, that false break as we anticipated, it definitely felt like we were trading up here forever, but patience paid out, and, well, the trade worked out quite well. Anyways, that was yesterday. As far as today goes, we did see a gap down here this morning. We did break some pretty key levels intraday, most notably 5,100, right? Just a big psychological level. The flip level, so this is our transitional strike at 50.95, the implied low at 50.94, and ES 5,100. So really pretty significant zone here, which we did break. Perhaps we're gearing up for a back test here, possible reclaim. As of right now, SPX is finding support at our support zone of 50.80, 50.75. This is also the max put strike. So looking at 0DTE options volume, the strike with the highest put volume is 50.80. That often acts as a lower bound if it's on the put side, an upper bound if it's on the call side. And we tend to use these as targets and potential turning points in the market. Now, there is put volume building below that 50.80 handle, primarily at 50.70, and then not a whole lot below that. So if the market continues to sell off and we see put positioning come in and this max call strike shifts lower, it is an indication that there is more downside. But as of right now, we're staging a bit of a bounce. I played it, so looking for maybe possible reversion here to 50.95. It is definitely counter trend. However, we are most certainly due for a bounce. Now, just taking a look at market internals here, things are not that bearish. Nicey positive volume, you can call it more neutral, basically 1-to-1. NASDAQ negative, but again, pretty neutral. So on a net basis, neutral. ADD is plus 200. It's actually in positive territory, which makes you think, if breadth is technically positive, why is the market selling off so much? Well, it's being led lower by growth and mega caps. So they're getting hit pretty hard here. And of course, mega caps have the greatest influence on the S&P 500 because it is a market cap weighted index. Hence, you want to give special attention to the mega caps, which is essentially the big tech names, which are pulling the market lower here today. Additionally, VIX, a measure of market volatility, is catching a bid. Vol is an exacerbating factor. So if VIX moves higher, it causes all options to get repriced higher because there's an increased probability of expiring in the money, and that invokes sell flows into the market. So it is an exacerbating factor, particularly on the upside. Now, if you're a dip buyer here, you're looking for some reversion, a bit of a bounce, you do want to see volatility get sold, and that will provide some support here today. So VIX, mega caps, those are key. And just note, if you're buying the dip here, it is technically counter trend. I bought the dip, but I'm well aware that it is counter trend. So maybe I'll be a little bit more defensive, tactical on it, and be willing to cut that trade if I'm not seeing resolution. As of right now, we're seeing resolution, which is positive, but it's only 12 o'clock. We got 4 hours to go, and we could easily see another leg lower or a recover of the flip, and we're back in that buy the dip regime. Time will tell. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you're not a member and you're interested in learning more, you can visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.